In this video, I am going to talk about top 5 free courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. All of these are really worth doing course because these courses are offered by Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. So let's see what are these top 5 free courses are for you. Here the very first course is that I'm going to talk about Introduction to Machine Learning. So in this course, they intend to introduce some of the basic concepts of the machine learning from a mathematically well-motivated perspective. They will cover the different learning paradigms and some of the more popular algorithms. So you can do these courses. Already 6,963 students enroll these courses. The second course is here for you, an introduction to artificial intelligence. This course will teach you many fast algorithms to solve each formulation. The course prepares a student to take a variety of focused advanced courses in various subfields of artificial intelligence. Already 14,721 students enrolled these courses. This course is offered by IIT Delhi. The third course is here for you, Data Analyst Analytics with Python. So one of the important aspects of this course is that the students are getting hands-on experience creating analytics models. So you can do this course too. Already 7,213 students enroll these courses. This course is offered by IIT Roorkee. The fourth course is here for you, Introduction to Internet of Things. This course is offered by IIT Kharagpur. So this course is very important to learn the fundamentals of the emerging technology. Already 7,583 students enroll these courses. And the last course is here for you, Cloud Computing. This course is offered by IIT Kharagpur. So you can do this course because this will help the students and researchers to use and explore the cloud computing platform. Already 9,370 students enrolled this course, so you can enroll this course too. So you will get the link of all of these 5 free courses in the video description, so please check it here to get the link and to learn free.